Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to back up voicemails on iPhone. Here are the steps to how to back up voicemails on iPhone. First, open the phone app. Tap the phone icon on your home screen. Go to the voicemail tab. Tap voicemail at the bottom right. Choose the voicemail you want to back up. Select any voicemail from the list. Tap the share icon. It looks like a square with an upward arrow. Decide how you want to save it. You can save it to, for example, as files, notes, voice memos, or send to yourself. Choose Save to Files. Recommended. This keeps the voicemail as an audio file. Choose the folder. Pick on my iPhone or iCloud Drive for cloud backup. Tap Save. Your voicemail is now saved as an audio file. Repeat for all voicemails you want to back up. Do this for each one. Check your saved file. Open the Files app. Find and saved voicemail, then tap on it to confirm it's there. Upload to cloud storage. Optional. Tap on Share on the bottom left corner. Use Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive by choosing them in the Share menu. Email the voicemail to yourself. Tap Mail on the Share sheet. Send the voicemail to your own email. Save to a computer. On your PC, download the voicemail from your email or iCloud Drive. And lastly, ensure iCloud backup is enabled. You can do this by going to Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, iCloud Backup, toggle on Backup this iPhone so saved voicemail and files or notes are included in your cloud backup. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.